Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 20 of saving every day in August with $6-ish. So we are gonna go into our binder with our adorable dashboards and prop coins from Kimmy's Corner. We're gonna flip to the back where I am trying something new, doing a roll a day. Like I see so many cool people doing. I have $12 with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, that is correct. So we are going to roll our D6 for today, and whatever we roll will go into our category of the month, which is saving $1,000, and it's a freebie I have on my Ko-fi for my 1,000th video on YouTube, and I am saving with it on Fridays. So we are going to add $4 here. So if I grab a 1, actually, I only have 1 5, so just kidding. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put $4 in here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $4 going in here, which means we will have $8 to save with in our dailies. So let's color in a circle. And this just shows that I rolled for today. And so now we need $2 worth of prop coins. So we have $51, $52, perfect. We can get our $6 worth of prop coins, and then we will put our $8 in our bank. So normally when you play with prop coins or something, you exchange even for even. So we put in $8 here, and I have $8 in total of prop coins, and that just represents the money that we're playing with our different challenges. So I don't think this should be this hard, but apparently I am making it very difficult. Oh goodness. All right. They might all be together. That's okay. Okay. So let's go to our paper clip, which is on number 4. We have our D3, so we're going to roll the die, and it's going to tell me how many prop coins to put down. So 4 is getting 2. I apologize for my lighting. I am filming late at night. I'm trying to get a little bit of bulk filming done because I have some bestie friends come in. And I want to make sure I get these videos up because these are super fun to do. 2 for 2. 1 for 3. 1 for 4. 1, 2, 3 for number 5. 1, 2 for number 6. 1, 2, 3 for number 1. 1 and 2 for 2. 1, 2, and 3 for 3, and then we just have 1 left, which is going to go on 4, which means we are going to start at number 5 tomorrow. Wow, that ice machine is loud. Okay. So we are going to go to number 1. I think I'm just going to mix things up a little bit. All right, so number 1 has 25, 50, 75, $1.25. And this one is from me for Aisha M Budgets. You can get this on her Ko-fi for a small fee. A bunch of creators got together and created stuff for Aisha to sell on her Ko-fi while she's going through some cancer treatments. So we are going to do $1.25. So 25, 50, 75, $1.25. Oh, just missed it. All right, I'm going to color it in and be right back. All right, so we should finish this one tomorrow. So these are all 25. All right, number 2. Number 2 got 50, 25, 25. So number 2 got $1.25. These are cute ones from Maribel at Minto. I believe these were freebies with an order. So let's see. So we got 25, 50, 75, $1.25. All right, I will be right back. Okay, so we have 50 more cents and this one will be done, and then this one's $3. So total they will be $6. All right, so these can go in the 25 and that can go in the 50. So number 3 has 50, 75, $1.25. And number 3 is from Lisa at She Persisted Budgeting and Saving, and each one of the lightsabers is 25 cents. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1.25. So that is good. All right, number 4 got $1. And number 4 is from Becca Budget 777. What did the pencil say to the sharpener? My life would be pointless without you. So we can do 4 more circles. Perfect. All right, number 5. Number 5 got 50. Okay, so 50, 75, $1. And then 25, 50, 75. $1.75 going in here. This one is from DIY Budget on Etsy and Divas Budgeting on YouTube. Don't know if she still has her Etsy. So we have $1.75. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, 50, 75. I'm so ready for fall. Okay. And then number 6. Number 6 has 50, 75, $1, $1.50. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So I'm going to use a different pen. So $1.50. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, and 50. Oh, so close on this one too. Oh my goodness. I missed the little holder. All right, so we did not finish any today, but we did finish a few yesterday's, and we know we have 2 set up for finishing tomorrow. So let's make sure we have $2, and we do. So that will come back here. And then let's put our prop coins up here. So everything else should be 25 cents, which equals $6. All right, day 20. All done. Thank you guys for hanging out. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you join us in our daily savings if you want. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye.